before we begin this speech, I want to say something about what is the history of the RFC, or we call it Rainforest Challenge Alliance RFC. The history began in 1997 in Malaysia, of course, and it is an off-road adventure race and sporting event of Malaysia. And we have a following now since its beginning to now, we have a following from over 60 countries. Off-road lifestyle adventure people follow the Rainforest Challenge, or we have been to the Rainforest Challenge of Malaysia in the past 25 years. So from that small beginning, we steadily progress to become the world's number 3 toughest off-road races. Yeah. And we are just behind Pahang 1000 and Dakar Rally. We're just number 3. So now, the RFC is not only in Malaysia. See, from 2012, the RFC began to expand overseas. It became known as the RFC Global Series. This began in 2012, and since then, we now have franchise event, same race, in different countries around the world, from Asia, Europe, and including South America. We have series of the Rainforest Challenge in those countries too, up to about 25 chapters around the world, and growing. So next year, I was told that they have contacted me that Romania and the Balkans will join us next year, and also we have the San Salvador, Central America will also join us, and also in the Kyrgyzstan, Central Asia. So these are the new countries coming up to join us in called the RFC Global Series. So now why is finale of the Global Series? Because these chapters around the world begin their event from January to October. And the Rainforest Challenge of Malaysia is November, December. So at the end of this series. So that's why we call ourselves RFC Grand Final. Now, all these things would not be possible if not for like-minded friends, fraternities in Malaysia and around the world. Because RFC is not only me, the RFC is us. We are RFC. And that's why for me it's a great honor to come this 25 years and to see this growing fraternity in Malaysia and around the world. And these people are just like me, passionate, informed, and we call them the true blue adventurers around the world. Yeah, thank you very much for that. Oh, and also I'm very, very proud to say, as a Malaysian, that the RFC, or Rainforest Challenge, and the RFC Global Series are both made in Malaysia. After 2 years of pandemic depression, I would call it depression, we are now back again in this recovery year, in which I would like to thank Tourism Malaysia once again for their trust and belief in our brand. So this year, what a time to welcome back adventure lifestyle tourists once again in Malaysia, as we celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Rainforest Challenge, as well as the 50th anniversary of Tourism Malaysia. So both these two iconic brands of Malaysia promote Malaysia to the world. And bringing tourists, making Malaysia a destination, one of the world's most popular destination in the world. After 2 years of missing in action. So this year's event, there will be 2 parts to the event. The first part will take place in Kuala Lumpur, here in urban area, which is we call the MsExpo, which we join forces with the Motor and Sports exhibition to be held in Tropicana Gardens Mall on the 26th and 27th of November. So this is the adventure lifestyle. We want to invite, because our event is held in the countryside further away, so we want the local crowd to see us, to get to know us personally, up close and personal. So come to the Tropicana Gardens Mall 26th and 27th of November. In about 10 days time, we will be there and come and see us. We will be the fraternity. There will not only us, there will be also adventure lifestyle. There will be lots of other activities happening on this 26th and 27th at Tropicana. Oh, and also we do not, the Rainforest Challenge is, you know, people talk Rainforest Challenge, wow, extreme, off-road, oh, tak boleh join. But no, this year we increase the network for lifestyle. What's adventure lifestyle? Means this year we include the ATVs to come in, also invite the 4x4 classic cars. So these classic cars are just standard cars, but they modify it, they use original parts to become very classic. So these are also our group for this year to join in, to make us the lifestyle. What they want is RFC lifestyle. What is, they have a logo, the Rainforest Challenge, 25 RFC, and if you part and parcel of us, the 4x4 classic cars. And also this year, we also have the pickup. So you see many around the world in Malaysia, a lot of these pickup trucks around, but they don't join the race. But this year we call them up and join us together for the Tropicana as well as for the opening in Bera. So this pickup 4x4 will also come and join us to be part of the Rainforest Challenge this year. And that's not all. I don't know how many of you have seen the RC, radio control cars outside. If you've seen that one, this is also another group. And these people who own these radio control cars, they are also adventure camping enthusiasts. So they are also, and they also own a 4x4, even though they don't soup up, but they still use the car for camping, for leisure, and to play their RC cars. Are they here? Yeah. The RC cars are part and parcel of this year's Rainforest Challenge. Thank you. Okay, now, and also we have the next generation camping people to join us now this year. So you can see that the lifestyle, the rainforest, the core is the racing, off-road racing. But around that, we attract all these adventure lifestyle people who want to be part of us to join us together. So this year, being a recovery year, we want to make sure everybody is part of us, and from now on, to move forward to enjoy what is off-roading, what is adventure, what is camping. So now, apart from what we can offer you this year, with all the fraternities joining us, so who is coming? Now the world situation, as you know, is just recovering with all this situation, but we are able to attract still our enthusiasts from around the world. And this year, we will still have about 18 countries joining us, participants and media from 18 countries, namely, I would say, Czech Republic, France, Germany, Italy, Thailand, India, Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, China, Japan, and Korea. we still have these fraternities. It won't be as big as our previous years, but it's a beginning for us to recover. And we are very happy to welcome all these countries, participants and media to Malaysia this November. So, with that, I would like to say, so anytime now, we'll see you in 26 November to the 8th of December in Tropicana, and from 28 November onwards we go to Bera, it's Pahang. Now Bera, as you know, is Tasik Bera, and Pahang, being a very big state, has wonderful places of discovery. And Pahang is the biggest state in Peninsular Malaysia. So we are going to have there in Bera from the 29th opening ceremony 30th to the end of the event on 8th of December. Everything will be happening around the Bera district, from the lake to the Ulu Bera and into the closing ceremony. So, we welcome you to be part of us, and to everyone here, please join us on the 26th and 27th in Tropicana for MsExpo, and also join us in Bera for the 30th opening ceremony in Bera in Pahang. There will be lots of activities there as well. The prologue is on the 30th and 1st December. So there you will see all the action. In Tropicana you will see all the display. In over Bera you see the action. So, in closing my speech here, I'd like to say this, that we have a common tagline of the RFC, not only in Malaysia, but around the world of the global series. We will say normally is, who are we? Who are we? So they will say, we are RFC. So I'm very proud and honored that this RFC is, we are RFC in Malaysia and around the world. So with that, I'd like to thank every one of you for coming for this launching of the Rainforest Challenge this year. And I feel very proud and honored that we're all together, fraternities in Malaysia, members of the media, our distinguished sponsors and guests, and our Royal Malaysian Police, who has been all the time with supporting the event for the past 25 years. Let's bring this event and Malaysia to the world again. Take our place in the top 3 of the world's event. With that, thank you very much.